These tech updates are a proof that how quickly the technology is evolving these days. So in today's video, we are going to talk about a lot of technologies that are being changed. But first of all, I would like to talk about the passwordless world that I was thinking about from quite a long time, because, no password is safe for sure. People are, running behind the encryption methodologies and they try to crack them down. And, in a lot of cases, we have seen the credentials going up into some wrong hands. So recently in a World Wide Web consortium, there was a heavy discussion about the passwordless technology. And, into the last World Wide Web consortium, FIDO Alliance has brought up this technology in which they are more going to move towards the passwordless world, and Google, Microsoft and Apple has given them a green flag, and they are looking to implement this technology in all of their gadgets, accounts and devices. Now they are looking to go with the fingerprint and they are looking to go with the face detection, but mostly they are looking to go with the fingerprint technology, and Apple is actually using the fingerprint technology into the MacBooks from quite a long time in order to open them with the fingerprint technology. And that was a very successful implementation that, passwords are getting leaked out. So, they are coming up with the solutions in order to keep you more secure. So we can expect to see these kind of passwordless technologies coming up in our Microsoft accounts login, or you can say into the softwares and all of their tech gadgets. And it will be a very big win for the big tech giants like Netflix, since we all know that how much people are sharing their accounts. So if you are going to go with the fingerprint technology, you won't be able to share those accounts, which will be a big win for these subscription based companies. So I believe that in some years from now, the passwords will be all gone from this world and we will move on to the more secure way, that is passwordless world. Elon Musk is still sticking on to my daily tech updates, since as the last report came up, he is looking to become a temporary CEO, replacing Mr. Parag. And, Bill Gates is also questioning him now. As per the last statement of Bill Gates, when people asked him that, what do you think about Elon Musk buying the Twitter? So Mr. Bill Gates has delivered a statement that it could actually make that social media worse. But again, the second part of that statement implies that they are going to wait and see that what he has to come up, is he going to evolve with that, or it is actually going to get worse into the world of social networking. And from my personal point of view, there is nothing wrong in whatever things he is implementing over there, since he wants to make Twitter a premium platform. So I believe the changes that he wants to bring up into the Twitter are going to be implemented just in the Twitter Blue, and he's going to take some kind of small payment for that. So that is again going to make Twitter more premium like LinkedIn and other platforms, since we have already seen that people are making quite a lot of money just out of tweeting something out there on Twitter. But let's talk about the market sentiments for Elon Musk. So after he has bought Twitter, Twitter has seen a great rise in their shares. Their shares has increased by 4%, whereas the stocks of Tesla has fallen down to 8%, because people are thinking that Mr. Elon Musk is really getting distracted towards some other roles which can bring his superpower companies like Tesla down, because he is not paying much concentration over there. And now this news of CEO is impacting Tesla stocks as well. Another tech update is from Apple. In India, people are actually struggling for the payment gateways and the payment things out there. So Apple has also stopped all the payments related to credit cards and debit cards. So if you are going on with any kind of recurring subscription from your Apple devices, it's high time that you keep an eye on them, because it is official that they are not going to support debit cards and credit cards of India for the recurring payments. The only escape left for Apple users is from net banking and UPI. That is going to be supported for a while, but let's see if they are going to sort out this problem soon, or they are always going to ban Indian people from doing the payments from their credit card and debit cards. We have seen the status update of Mark Zuckerberg last night, and he is asking to roll out the reaction features on WhatsApp. Now wait. Hey, Meta is actually turning all the social media platforms so identical that he has got the WhatsApp stories and now the reactions as well. So you're gonna get the same feeling like you're getting onto the messengers or the Instagram, that you long press on message and then you see the options to react. But anyways, their developers have already written the code for that. They just need to push it over their other products of Meta, and they are bringing all the social media identical. But as we have seen into the yesterday's tech update, that they are also working and giving users a very amazing user interface as well. So that's it for today's tech update. Don't forget to press the subscribe button and bell icon in order to not to miss any tech update from this channel. That's it for today. I'll see you again tomorrow once again.